Okay, so this is called Direita Carlos Eugenio, and we're gonna attempt to go down this street. It's very crowded. You can see all the cars up and down. Before we even go down, you'll see we're gonna go into that briefly. You can also see this little dragon thing right here. So we're gonna show that off a little bit. Tons of people everywhere, as you can see today. So we're going to and give a little bit of highlight of where we are as well. It's a vintage shop. Show you some of the stuff around. So stay tuned, and Direita Carlos Eugenio Street is next. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Before we go, you can see our target street right there. Before we even go down, you can see many people everywhere in here. We're gonna run across here as well. We're gonna highlight all the stuff happening, including all this crowds of people before we even focus on our street. You can see all the New Year's Eve stuff, the celebration, and you can see some wall murals here too. And we're gonna walk up to the top, and then we're gonna come back down again and go down our target street. But one of the things you'll notice, there's a lot of people around today. I haven't been down this one and filmed in a while either. But that goes all the way up to a beautiful church, and this one goes down back to the same street again. So we'll get a little taste of those in a little bit. Let's just kind of show off this real quick. Yeah, a lot of people around today. So we're gonna go down the stairwell over on the other side. And then we'll go down our target street. So we're just gonna go down this way. Who does see? Oh yeah. Actually, that's popular. So this is actually Escada do Coxo. We're gonna walk down it. So I think this is all for ice cream. You just kind of see. Yeah. See of all the people that are here to get ice cream, I guess. So let's go on down. Wow, it's popular. So that is one crazy line. So that line keeps on going all the way down that way as well, and all the way up. Let me just kind of see where the end of the line. Okay, the end of the line is over here. And so yeah, this street would actually go all the way down towards Broadway Casino. If we kept going, we'd go all the way down that way. We're actually going to go the other way. So we're going to try to go this direction. So yeah, that was actually that little stairwell right there. The lights are just coming on as well. Okay, so we're going to try to keep on going down this way. It's hard to navigate, there's a lot of people around. Then you can see all the tourism everywhere around here. Tons of people down that way. And we're gonna go this way. And we're actually gonna we'll show this off real quick before we go down our target street. Starbucks over there, that's Guy. That's the Chinese New Year, which is coming up in a few weeks. I think it's 3 weeks from now. And then you got a dragon's head. We'll show that off real quick too. So that's the dragon's head right there. And then that just goes all the way down like that. So we're gonna follow that as well. And then you can see the dragon scale. So we're gonna go all the way down. And now we're parallel with our park. There's also some light show things as well. It's a long line to the bathroom as well. So we're gonna go down. I was gonna show this real quick. This is actually new. I hadn't seen this before, but I just saw it from the street a little earlier. It's kind of cool right there that way. Okay. So we are going to go down our Target Street in a moment. I just want to show this off real quick too. There's these little alleys, so I'm just going to take this real quick. This little alley goes up to the other street, which had all the tourism stuff. And it comes right up to here. And then you have all that stuff, which is where we started at a little bit. We had the Burger Control cigar, Lewis. Saw Lewis cigars as well. And we got a coffee shop on the corner as well. Let me just go a little bit further. There's this K-pop that's going on today. So they're all showing off a K-pop star is in Macau. So there's extra crowds here today because of that. Okay. So we were kind of in this area where that little Kosho is right around that area as well. But we're gonna go down this street, still targeting our Target Street while capturing a little bit of the flavor of the side street as well. So nice. There's a couple of coffee shops, a hamburger shop, vintage shops, things like that. Then I think they're going to be doing some new things. That's kind of an older style one in there. This one is now Lapman Mashion. So that one, they've been restoring it and it looks like they got something new there coming up. And we're going to go right to our Target Street, back to our Target Street in a moment. Which is quite busy. So that's the street that we were on. So we're gonna navigate this way. So we are gonna it's really crowded today. Very, very crowded. Let's see, I'm gonna just say hello to this guy in the corner. He's an Italian guy who opened up an Italian restaurant, so we'll see if he's in there to say hello. The Castizo, the Portuguese one to the right. So that's the shop right there. The Atro. So he has a new store. We'll see if he's there. I'll just say hello. Then over here is Cafe Hanoi, which is a Vietnamese restaurant, which I've been wanting to go to for quite a while. It's always been so crowded and this area is hard to get around now. It's so busy all the time. But you can see Cafe Hanoi. And we're going to attempt to go across. Let me see if we can or not. see if we can say hello. I was gonna say hello. I'm filming the street, but I thought I'd say, and I'm gonna come and eat another time. But so
Good to see you.
yeah,
Today's a perfect day.
Very. The weather's like perfect. Let's see you later. So this one is this one right here. I want to stay more time, but I'll catch him another time. Okay, so we're gonna go over to this side of the street. Yeah, I'm gonna film that shop, and I'm gonna introduce his shop more on another time. But there we go. This is actually, this is new. So this is for the light show. So they have all these illuminated lights that will come up later. So we might film that a little bit later. But for now, we're going to continue down our Target Street. And this street will end just a little ways further. And up here is called the Firecracker Museum. And up there, there's also a lot of people that are going up there as well. So that's actually a big tourist attraction now. That goes up to, there's a church up at the top. And the Firecracker Museum is right over here to the left. And I might just go in there, and our street actually ends up here. There's another new bar up there as well. I think they have a rooftop now too, at the top. So you can see Taipa Village. So that changes streets and goes into a different street name, and then Taipa Village is straight ahead. And so we're going to go into the Firecracker Museum, which is across the street over there, but you get a nice skyline view right here. And we're just going to end it right over there, and then we'll end our video. So this will be the end of our video up here. Firecracker Museum closes, I think, at 6 p.m. So to close 7 p.m. Then you'll have this whole little space with they'll show off all the different elements of what was a Firecracker Museum. So they'll have where they did the fuses, all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna end this video when we get kind of highlighting some of the buildings, including this one, and they'll all be labeled as well. So they'll say this is where they did the fusing, this is where they put the firecrackers together, whatever they did. So that's actually at the end of the street, and you can walk all the way through here and see signs that say to each one as well. That's Taipa Hill up that way. Then you can see some casinos that are over that way, including Venetian Casino, such like that. So we're going to walk back out, and then we're going to end our video. So this is Carlos Eugenio de Silva? No. Carlos Direita Eugenio, I believe. We'll just bring the camera back out to the front, and then we're going to end the video. There we go, then we go across. And that's the street right there that we focused on. Slice of Macau. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la voz minha.